Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and I wanted to share with you. This is at Dodash. So here is her YouTube channel. I came across her, I don't know how I found her, but just happened to see one or two videos, and she is just so positive, so uplifting. I love how she talks about God and her faith. And then she does these shout outs. So I was like, let me just support her. As all my students know, I love entrepreneurs and I always contribute to their business, whether it's a donation or if it's buying their merch. So I cashed apped her and I wanted to show you the shout out we got. So it's in this video right here.
The world needs your light.
Fast forward and show you what she said, which is very, very sweet. Thank you so much, Dodash, if you're watching. And any other up and coming YouTuber, get your shout out from Dodash. Let me show you. Hold on a second. Oh, here we are.
Beauty, fragrance, if you're into get ready with me, so if you're into fun and fashion and beauty, check out Key Michelle. Next, we have Miss Todoric and her students. Let me just say, Miss Todoric, your students absolutely love you. Your spirit is so beautiful. A lot of your content is for members only, and it's so affordable if you want to become a member of Miss Todoric and her students. She teaches business and she teaches computer classes. When I tell you she is so loved, she is so loved. She is so fun. Your personality is so beautiful. Y'all check out Miss Todoric and her students. She has a lot of subscribers. A lot of students love her. I know they absolutely love you because just the small amount of content I was able to see that wasn't for members, it just, your spirit is just beautiful. You are beautiful. And I wish that we could see more, like, without being a member, but I understand. And she's also about financial freedom. She's also about, what did I put on here? Financial freedom. Yep. She's also about financial freedom. She's an author and baby, she is everything. She is everything. When I tell you, so amazing, I hope that we get to see more of your amazing, beautiful personality. A lot of her content is for members only because she does a lot of teaching. So if you want to learn from her, become a member and you'll learn a lot. Like, she has so much information. She has so much to teach on her channel. Check out Miss Todoric and shout out to her students because I know that they love you. I know that you are so loved. Y'all show her love. Give her a hug from me, Miss Todoric. This is a virtual hug because you are absolutely amazing. Whew, y'all, I'm going to sit down because, baby, it is hot. I'm not supposed to be sweating. I am not supposed to be doing all this jumping around. This is like considered working out. I'm not supposed to be doing none of this. Okay, we are sitting down, y'all. But check out Miss Todoric. When I tell you her spirit, her energy is so beautiful, so amazing. She has so many subscribers, and she also does shout outs too. I'm not sure if it's just for her students, but you have to become a member, and she does shout outs as well on her channel. Beautiful soul, beautiful spirit. Miss Todoric and her students. She's, like I said, she's a business and computer teacher. She's an author and so much more. She's so smart. She's so funny. She's so fun. Become a member to see more of her amazing, beautiful personality, Miss Todoric and her students. Y'all, next we have Unbroken 30. Unbroken 30 wants you to know that the
So I'm going to pause it right there. Thank you, Dodash. That was so sweet. You had so many kind words. I'm going to share this with my students. I love your shout outs. So if you are a student, if you want a shout out from Dodash, go right here, take a look at our videos, and then you can see she also posts. I know she has quite some work. She is busy. So these are all the shout outs she's doing. And she's got pages of work to do. So God bless her. She is awesome. All the best to you, Dodash. And students, if you're watching, go subscribe. Thanks for watching my channel. And let's support these other entrepreneurs. All the best. Thanks. Bye bye.